I want a coin flip.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Vino Chico Topones. Me saludos en español. All I can say is buena suerte para todos días. Good luck to all of you, it means. Sí, Diaz. Absolutely. 3x on coin flip, but it's Topslot here, so let's get going. Come on, stop it! It listened. Okay, perfect. Let's go for some Topslot here, ladies and gentlemen. Moonwalk wasn't the GOAT, but you are the GOAT. I love that. I'll take it any day. I told you I'm not great in Moonwalk. Told you. But you know, this would be pretty awesome to have. Oh boy, 150 versus 9. I can't even look here at this point, guys. Oh boy. Okay, let's do it. 3, 2, 1.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,063,793 euros.
150x right there with my forehead. My forehead is the GOAT right now. My forehead is the GOAT. How about that? 7.3k total winners. Let's move on with the next spin. You know? You know, that
part on my... He's still pretty loved on TikTok. Actually, yeah, he's funny, kind of he is funny. Madrid is funny. I don't know why he got like such a bad fame from that Netflix. But yeah, about Tinder, well, sometimes opening the Tinder. The spin is now made. Whoa, guys. Cash on 20x multiplier. What is this? Can we have that cash? And welcome everyone who's joining as well. Thank you for joining, guys. Welcome to the crazy time. I'm glad to be here today with you. And more cash shots, dear players. No way. OMG, that's happening now for real, guys. We're having a cash shot with a 20x multiplier from the Topslot. Oh, this is gonna be great. Ooh, I'm getting great. I cannot see this like. $2K, guys. Oh, my hands are shaking. The minimum what you can get is the 200. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. That really happened today. The max is the 2,000. Anyways, the minimum is the 200. Players, please decide what you want to do here. It's the big hunting. It's gonna be the big hunt, guys. It's gonna be really generous here. I'm so happy for you guys. It happened with us today. Oh, feeling so strong. Who's your boy?
This is the amount of money issued to 1,600,943 euros.
Hey. Oh, I'm shaking. 85 winners win 2K. 10,633 winners, guys. Boom! Congratulations! Woo! And
but supposed to start enjoy. Sofia, come to Brazil. I take you for dinner in a wonderful restaurant. Rafael, with pleasure. And then Brazilian Carnival, of course, yeah? 5x and crazy. Now, stay. Crazy time with 5x. Awesome. That's gonna be spectacular. Come on. All of you are invited. Knock, who's there? Sofia and 1,000 players. Let the magic begins. 5x, please. Can you be applied? Perfect. Careful, Miss Flamingo. Hold your head on. You survive. What about you, dear ladies and gentlemen? Will you survive? Oh my. Not so easy, but need to guess. Green, blue, or yellow. Choose one flopper that looks at you. Don't forget there's a lot of doubles and a lot of triples. Max multiplier 500 at the moment. Good luck. Yes. Yes. Yellow flopper. Catch double. Hold on, Flamingo. The whole will double. Now max multiplier 1kx. Enjoy. Perfect. What should I say? Yellow team, you catch double. One more time. The whole wheel doubles. And now, max multiplier 2kx. Enjoy! Right participant penguin. Dance for us.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,043,883 euros.
X on yellow, 175x. Green, 75x. Blue. Perfect result. Conference top 5. 1kx, 1 Joel, Pandi, and 5. 40,000 and more on your side. 9,337 players who win it all in this round. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Very good. Ladies and gentlemen, just high five. Boom!
All right, Jenny. Jenny, tell about your taste. Which kind of demands, type of demands you prefer? We understand like Indians is not your type. So, who you prefer? Bobby, have you ever watched cricket? Of course. I'm every day like watching cricket. Every time I go home, great time with a free axe. Before I fell asleep, I put on the TV and watching how Australia is winning the Indian. Yeah, the Australians are really good playing in the cricket. Woo! Crazy time with a free axe on the Topslot. There we go. Time to become rich. There we go, crazy time. Crazy Bobby, bam, 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 open up, there we go. Yeah. Woohoo! Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, again, to the crazy time, the biggest one wheel in the world. There we go. Woo! It's a Bobby's morning. Woo. With a free axe at the Topslot, let's multiply this beautiful wheel. Mmm, delicious. Choose your flapper, green one, blue one, and the yellow one. How you think which one color it will be? So, green one, blue one, or the yellow one? Make your decision, ladies and gentlemen. So, the highest one will be 300x. There we go. 45x, green one, 30x, yellow one, double trouble for the blue. So 600x, the highest one. The left one arm is always the lucky one for me. Come on. double trouble. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, 2,200x. We have a chance. Right here, right now, we can become rich. There we go.
This is the amount of money issued 99,439 euros.
Under blue one, 45x, green one. And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. That was, by the way, painful, you know? When you see the option to catch 1,200x and you're catching all the 180x. No. Scott.
Pachinko, 150x on a 10. It's quite good. Oh, I want a coin flip. I really want a coin flip right now. I'm not going to turn around and look. I don't want to jinx it. I'll just wait for it to stop and hope it's going to be a coin flip. It's a coin flip with a 25x stop slot. Oh, well then, right after a Pachinko 25x stop slot on that coin flip. Realistically, it doesn't even matter what we get. It's going to be good. Red, blue. This time on blue. 4x on red, 8x on blue. It's either 100x or 200x. It's a win-win situation, you see. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 174,829
If this game
euros.
uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.